Hi there, this is Nicole from Right at Home, and today I'm sharing a how-to video for the Snow Flurries background stamp that is releasing as part of our November release. This set features a large snowflake background that measures slightly larger than an A2 sized card base, and I'm taking that piece and mounting it inside my mini Misty. I will be stamping it in a light blue ink onto 3 different card panels. The first one I will just leave as is, which you can see here, and the rest I will be using the add-on pieces that are included in the set to stamp in different color combinations to show you the possibilities. The set includes 8 different solid snowflake pieces in varying sizes that will help you fill in the open spaces of the background. For this panel, I decided to go with a color palette of green, purple, gray, and blue that will coordinate perfectly with some stamped images that I already had colored. All of the ink colors that I used will be listed in the description box below. There will also be a link to the coordinating stamping guide for this set that you can print out and have on hand to help you stamp all of these images together. Here's what the panel looks like when it's all finished, and you can see how perfectly it matches the images I already had colored. These images are from Winter Pals, which is also part of the November release. This next color combo is a bit non-traditional, but definitely just as fun. And here's a look at all 3 panels. You can use the background as it is to create a simple backdrop, or you can add in the solid pieces and dozens of different color combinations to match your card perfectly. Thank you so much for watching today's how-to video. If you're interested in any of the products used, make sure to visit the description box below. Subscribe to this channel before you leave, and I hope you have a great day.